Platform 3, move east 50 feet. Roger that, moving now.
Make sure to remove the damaged ones quickly.
This batch is moving fast. We need to increase the speed on line 3.
Back it up slow, keep it coming. Watch the stack on the left. Watch the stack on the left.
Lane 3 is showing a high defect rate on the lower scan.
Rerouting the batch to secondary inspection.
The chamber interior shows the characteristic purple-blue glow from the UV lamps. UVC light
keep an eye on the feed distribution.
Will do. The flow seems consistent across all screens.
The centrifugal force causes density-based separation. The heavier solids move outward, while the clearer
The feed enters turbulent due to pump flow, while the filtrate exits crystal clear, showing the dramatic clarification effect of microfiltration.
Heating section is steady at 95 Celsius.
Cooling outlet is holding at 4, compliance confirmed.
This countercurrent flow maximizes thermal efficiency. The turbulent flow ensures even heating.
Ether. Temperature sensor probes are visible at the inlet and outlet. Digital displays show real-time temperature readings.
We have a slight fluctuation in the flow rate here.
I see it. I'm adjusting the vacuum levels to compensate.
Close-up shots of burning film evapomechanism. Visual demonstration uses colored dye injection showing mixing effectiveness after the complete mixer length effect. The digital display shows the current vitamin C reading of 88 milligrams per 100 milliliters.
Close-up shot showing mechanical guides forming bottles into 6-pack configuration and handle application. Camera focused on bottle organization and handle attachment mechanism.
Shrink wrap tunnel system begins with a film wrapper. Thin, clear plastic film dispenses from a roll, wrapping around the bottle group.
Rigosane Cerex. The case erector retrieves the flat cardboard blank using vacuum cups. The blank is moved horizontally. The alternating layer pattern creates an interlocking structure. Layer 2 cases are rotated 90 degrees.
Looks good. Ready for the wrapper.
This wide shot shows a warehouse organized by production date and batch, enabling first in, first out inventory.
Operators, prioritize the Tropicana pallets for Bay 7. Double-check the load sequence and secure the temperature logs.
Everything aligned with the plan. Did we place the sensor on row 6?
Yes, Supervisor. All secured and the sensor is active.
All right, credentials verified. Weight is good on the scale. Take this manifest and merge onto the highway.
Did you scan the last pallet from truck 7?
Yes, waiting on temperature check now.
Go to location A521.
521, West Troma.
Pick 8 cases.
8 cases picked.
Here are the manifests and the temperature log for Route 4. Everything is loaded.
Okay, let me check the count. Looks good, temp is solid.
right, we're set. Got the juice pallets ready.
Manifest looks good. Bring them in.
I really want the mango juice.
Okay, but let's check the sugar content on this one first.
% pure orange juice, excellent source of vitamin C, no added sugars. It's a family favorite and fits our healthy lifestyle.
132. Scene 100. This organized cart, valued a rift and collard, shows a balanced family shop nearing
Your total is $165.43.
Can you put these apples in the fruit bowl?
So what's on the agenda for school today?
We have the big test in Mr. Harrison's class.
Don't worry, you'll do great. Drink up.
The seal is broken.
Looks delicious, Mom.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.